Hello friends, I'm Janet Austin, Lieutenant Governor of British Columbia, and today it's my absolute delight to recognize World Migratory Bird Day. This second Saturday in May is particularly special for all ornithologists, birdwatchers, and wannabe birders like myself, because we also launch the inaugural Victoria Bird Week. This celebration takes place May 8th to May 16th, and I'm inviting all local residents to take this opportunity to learn more about our local avifauna and the range of marvelous habitats that they inhabit. In 2017, my predecessor, the Honorable Judith Guichon, officially designated the grounds of Government House as a naturehood site, a place for city residents to connect with the natural world that lies within the biodiversity hotspot of the Capital Region Naturehood. On World Migratory Bird Day and throughout Victoria Bird Week, I invite you to pick up a copy of the new Nature Canada Naturehood Map for Greater Victoria and explore the parks and habitats highlighted therein. You can visit the Rocky Point Bird Observatory website at rpbo.org to take part in Bird Week Bingo. Or, for inspiration on how to get the most out of your birding experience, I encourage you to visit bcbirdtrail.ca for self-guided birding itineraries. I very much look forward to doing this myself, and I hope to see you on a local trail. You can learn more about local naturehoods in your own community at naturecanada.ca. I love to spend time on the trail, and learning about birds and bird behavior has greatly enhanced my experience of the outdoors. I hope your experiences will be as rich and rewarding as mine have been. On behalf of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and all nature-loving British Columbians, I'm delighted to wish you a very happy Migratory Bird Day.